ngoro kwa mwanasiasa ngoro kurecho OTUNDO mwanasiasa kurikisi county nando monogelwa banyali bali ibota gitego tabaiga Kenya is not RUTO. RUTO is the President of the Republic of Kenya, a representative of Kenya. Taliere Kenya. I believe nga ondebwensi kuanjete country yaye Kenya wa country, our beloved country. Igabwene teko chenge country yaye esa kokenda. Twarodra bande muna bono His Excellency Gachagwa oko genda goite country to ekoro Kenya outside. That is wrong. Goite country ko Kenya outside is wrong. We are supposed to go get a country within a country to have good relationships with the other countries so we can be able to get investors. If we miss investors, jobs out of the but what was saying, we will miss those jobs. If we mess with these countries, at the end of the day, we will not have the grants that we get, and that will affect how come to say that. One of the whatever, I think that is wrong. Gachagwa in as much as I want the beef, the president. A wise man speaks less. At the end of the day, we are outside. In Kenya, we are respected people and we need to speak less. Unless you know something Kenya, not to destroy Kenya. People should not destroy our country. Kenya is bigger than all of us. So if we go fighting to with the country because of personal interests on leadership, I think that is wrong. As a Kenyan, I am proud of Kenya. I'm proud of Kenya, and I'm telling wale watu wetu ambao wako USA walinde nchi yetu na waambie watu nchi yetu ndio mzuri. Ndio tupate tourists, ndio tupate investors, ndio tupate grants, ndio tupate kila kitu. Kenya, our country, our beloved country. We love it, we protect it with everything.